Dr. Paul, I'm referring Mr. George for a preoperative evaluation. He's scheduled for a laparoscopic procedure next week.
Thank you, Dr. Mihira. I'll schedule an appointment for Mr. George. What are his specific requirements for the procedure?
We'll need to ensure that Mr. George is in optimal health for the surgery. He should have a fasting period before the procedure and avoid certain medications.
I'll provide Mr. George with detailed instructions regarding preoperative preparations. Are there any specific concerns or risk factors that we should be aware of?
Mr. George has a history of hypertension and diabetes. We'll need to carefully manage his conditions before the surgery.
Dr. Mihira, I'll review his medical history and ensure he's taking his medications as prescribed. We'll also need to assess his risk of complications and take appropriate precautions. Mihira, I can absolutely understand your hesitation about taking pain medication, and it's really important that you feel comfortable and informed about it. It's true that some people worry about pain medication, and it's good that you're asking questions. Let me explain why it's so important in your situation right now and how we make sure it's used safely. You see, after surgery, pain isn't just about feeling uncomfortable. It can actually interfere with your body's natural healing process. When you're in pain, it's much harder to rest properly, and rest is absolutely vital for your body to repair itself. Pain can also make even gentle movements feel excruciating, yet moving around is so important after surgery. If not, complications like blood clots and pneumonia, which can be serious, can occur. Pain medication helps you rest comfortably so your body can focus on healing, and it allows you to move gently and safely, which is crucial for preventing those complications. Now, about the safety of the medication. Mihira, we only use medications that are approved and have been shown to be effective and safe when used correctly. The specific medication and dosage are carefully chosen by the doctors based on your individual needs and the type of surgery you had. Besides, we don't just prescribe it and leave it at that. We'll be monitoring you very closely while you're taking it. This means checking in with you regularly to see how you're feeling, making sure the medication is working as it should, and watching for any potential side effects. We're here to support you through this whole process, and we'll adjust the medication if needed.